When it comes to natural hair, your routine is very important. So this routine is for strengthening and hydration and moisture. So if you're looking for that, keep on watching. So this is my first routine coming off a 2 month protective hairstyle. So this is the length of my hair after a protective hairstyle. Can you see the growth, guys? My hair has really grown. Try this routine, you will definitely see growth. So this is my hair after like 2 months of protective hairstyling. So I'm trying to like put back my hair in a protective hairstyle because I don't want my hair to get tangled and all. So first off, we're going to be starting off with our LOC method, which is liquid oil and conditioner. So first off, I'm going to be showing the products I'll be using. I'll be using a deep conditioner, a shea butter, and the virgin hair fertilizer. This is holy grail, guys. And also I'll be using this Jamaican castor oil for my edges. You should definitely try this out. And also water, guys. I can overemphasize the importance of water, and then a detangling brush. So now we're going to be starting off in sections. Always work with your natural hair, always work in sections so you don't over manipulate your hair. So basically I'm just sectioning my hair in 4 places. So now that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just sectioning my hair. So now I'm doing my moisture routine. So basically my moisture routine is something I do just to keep my hair moistured for longer period of time. I have high porosity hair, which tends to not it tends not to hold water more. So I have to use this method to like retain more moisture in my hair. So basically I'll be tangling my hair first off, and then I'll be going in my water. Water is the best form of liquid, guys. Always use your water. So basically I'll just be spraying it on my hair, and then yeah, so I'll definitely recommend you using water. That's another keynote in retaining moisture. So this is my step-to-step moisture routine. It's very simple, the LOC method, which is liquid oil and conditioner. So I'm going in my conditioner. I'm using the leave-in Cantu conditioner. This conditioner is really good. Also apply it to your edges, to the ends of your hair. Is very important. Like the ends of your hair are like the weakest parts of your hair, so they need all the love, tender love and care. So next thing, I'm going in with my virgin hair fertilizer, guys. This has this mint feeling that is really good for your scalp. If you're having dandruff on your scalp, I'll definitely recommend this. This helps to reduce dandruff. It gives that tingling effect, that mint feel to your hair. So if you want that type of feel to your hair, I'll advise you get this. So after that, I'll be going in with my shea butter, guys. This is like a very thick butter which seals in that moisture. If you want to retain length for days, for months, I'll definitely recommend you using shea butter. So now I'm going in my detangling brush. As you can see, I'm always starting with the down part of my hair, then I work my way through to the upper part of my hair. That's the best way to detangle your hair without you breaking it. So now I'll be doing box braids with my natural hair. This is the best protective hairstyle for me, and I've seen retained a lot of length doing this method. So yeah, if you have other protective hairstyles you've done, you can leave it in the comment section that has helped you to retain length and it's working. So just leave it in the comment section. But for me, this braids has done wonders to my hair. Like I've seen a lot of growth just by doing my hair like this, like braiding my hair. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend this. And for somebody that has high porosity hair, I can say for this method actually works. So I'm going to be showing you how my ends look. You make sure your ends are protected, and your ends are the most important vital parts to retaining length and getting your hair goals. So if you're retaining length and the down part of your hair are breaking, your hair will be stagnant. So basically your ends are like the most important part in retaining length. So I notice when it comes to natural hair, it's just the basic that works, and the easy things and actually works. You don't need to do too much your natural hair, but once you have the basic things on lock, you're literally good to go. I've always struggled with finding a good routine, and this routine I can tell you has really helped me grow my hair and maintain longer hair. So this routine is good because it requires low manipulation, so less product, because at the end of the day you don't want to use so much conditioner on your hair. You don't need to use so much oil on your hair, like overdoing things. With just your products, you're good to go. Build up your routine and the basic will work. Another way to retaining length is shampooing your hair. So after that, you just wash your hair. Washing your hair makes your scalp clean and basically just setting your hair for new growth. So when you wash that out and all the dirt are out, it makes your hair clean. So another way is also deep conditioning. I'll be using this conditioner, which I just showed you. Deep conditioner helps to basically strengthen your hair after a protective hairstyle. It gives your hair that softness and strength that you've been lacking. And also after I do that, I always go in with my steam cap just to make sure the deep conditioner gets into my hair, like penetrates into every part of my hair. So I'm using this steam cap. So if you're using this steam cap, you can keep your hair for like 20 minutes. Use a timer, just keep it for 20 minutes. But if you're using normal, just leaving your hair like that, just keep it for 1 hour. So now I'll basically be rinsing off the conditioner because this is a deep conditioner, not a leave-in conditioner. So I'll be rinsing that off just to remove all the moisture. Notice guys, I'm not using soap, I'm just rinsing it off. So just rinse it off and just leave your hair like that. This process is really good, especially if you're just coming out from a protective hairstyle. I would definitely recommend you deep conditioning your hair. So yeah, once I'm done, I'll be going in with my routine. So just continue watching. So we are finally on to the moisture part of this video. So your moisture routine is very key to retaining length. You need to make sure that your moisture routine is like on lock. Like you have a good moisture routine, and one way to retain more length is having a good moisture routine. Because at the end of the day, natural hair thrives on moisture. If your hair is dry, you tend to lose your hair and break out. You notice excessive shedding, and if that keeps occurring, you are not going to retain length, and your hair can be stagnant, and even worse, get shorter. So like doing this on damp, so I tell my hair it feels so soft after I deep conditioner because I always deep condition my hair. If you didn't know that, I do my protein treatment, I always use deep conditioners just to get that added moisture to my hair because my hair is high porosity hair and it thrives on moisture. So I need to at least moisture my hair. So this is my moisture routine, like I always show you guys that moisture routine is something that you do basically for your hair. It's not something you just do and stop. While your hair is still in a protective hairstyle, you continue doing this. So first thing I always do is I go in with my water, and then I go in with the cream, that's the water, then a cream. I just use my leave-in conditioner. You notice that I'm not applying this to the scalp because it's very thick conditioner, because I have high porosity hair, so I tend to use products that are thicker and my hair doesn't block too much. So I apply this on the length of my hair and not my scalp. Do not apply your scalp, guys, because you don't want build up. Like I mentioned in previous, that the scalp health is very important. So build up is one thing that can limit your hair growth. So you don't want to make your scalp very have so much build up. So yeah, I apply this on the length of my hair, and then I go in with my shea butter. Like shea butter is like a very thick cream which you apply to your hair to seal in all those moisture. And it's one thing is key. I've started using this in my routine, and I noticed so much changes in my hair. Like it locks in moisture for days, guys. The keynote is that it is a butter and it's very thick. So don't apply this on the scalp, just the length of your hair. This way it locks in moisture and your hair is still moistured for long periods of time. So you need to make sure you're applying this to the length of your hair and not your scalp. So after doing that, I make sure I put my hair back in a protective hairstyle like I'm doing now. I would definitely recommend you doing braids. Like this braids, I've seen so much good just by doing these braids on my natural hair. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. So one thing about this, as if like the first 2 weeks of doing this hair, it's very very nice and good. But towards the ending, you can start wearing wigs because you're doing natural hair. You don't have to look all ratchet in at all. I always wear wigs when I go out. I don't carry my hair like these guys. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. So basically, that's what I'm doing. I'm just braiding my hair. So one way to retain length is doing hot oil massage. I've heard a lot about this, but I've never tried it out. So I've seen some natural hair girlies do this. So I'll definitely recommend this. I'll just be telling you the process in which you can do to like do your hot oil massage, yeah. So first off, you warm up your oil. You warm it in a bowl, like you just put your oil in a bowl and then you just put hot water under and just basically warm it up. So once it's warmed up, you put it in a towel of the hot water and then you just clean it off. So the benefits of hot oil massage is endless. It helps to nourish your hair. It also helps to promote hair growth. It because when you're massaging your scalp, you're improving the blood flow on your scalp, which also helps in promoting hair growth. When you want to do your hot oil massage, make sure you use a scalp massager. If you don't have one, you can also use your finger as an alternative, but make sure you massage your scalp. Also, when applying your hot oil, your hair must be not be dry. At least let there be some form of moisture in your hair. When you're applying it, apply it to the length of your hair and try to avoid your scalp when you're doing it. But if you also apply it to your scalp, there is no harm, because this is a treatment we do before washing your hair. So basically, you do this before washing your hair. This you notice that this is something that you just do and leave it on your hair. Your hair will do as to just use it as a pre-poo treatment. So anytime you're washing your hair, just do this, and your hair will be thanking you for doing that. So my hair is going to be, if your hair is feeling dry, you definitely need to do this and start developing split ends. If you have split ends, your hair feels dry, you're having dandruff, I would definitely recommend you doing a hot oil massage. This is something you can do from your house. You don't need to go to a salon to do it. So basically, I've showed you the method in which you can do to basically the process on how to do the hot oil massage. The form of hydration and is a treatment you do for dry hair, and it helps your hair to grow. So your hair needs to be moistured because this is a treatment. It's a people treatment, and washing your hair, it has benefit, guys. It helps to remove dandruff, as I said earlier. It's or if you're suffering from dandruff, you can use this. It also helps to strengthen your hair. You just start from the beginning of this video. I mentioned that the routine is for strengthening and hydration and moisture. That's the first thing I said. So my hot oil massage as a pre-put treatment, it also helps to your hair to feel good, and basically you do this process once every week, like depending on your hair, depending on when you're washing your hair. For me, I wash my hair twice in a week, on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So I always do my hot oil treatment before that. So when I'm washing it, I wash up all the oils, because oils, they tend to have built up and they clog your scalp. So yeah, I'm finally done with this. I always make sure that you always tuck in your hair once you're done plaiting it, just to prevent your hair from tangling and having knots. So yeah, can you see how beautiful my hair is looking, guys? This hairstyle is really good if you're trying to retain length and you don't want to be doing too much. So I'll definitely recommend you doing box braids. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.